The problem we have is that some people are now playing God without realizing that God is God. Nobody can play God.
Thank you, sir.
No man is God. Oshiomhole cannot be God. So he cannot, on his own, say he will determine what will happen in Edo State. Who will be governor, who will not be governor. Who will be this, who will not be that. Because God made him national chairman. This is a peaceful state. We do not like bloodshed.
Yes, sir.
And everything that causes disruption in our everyday life, as a government, we have tried to maintain and to curb. How can you run a state where Agberos are the people in charge?
Error.
Do Agberos like peace? No! So why would the master of Agbero like peace? That is part of the problem we're having. Look at all of you now. When you finish, you go back to the work you are doing. Why should some people sit in a corner and say you must pay them for the work you do every day? Is that how to grow a state or an economy? No. We have said no to thuggery and thugs ruling us. So anybody who now says is their master, and therefore they must have a role in Edo State, and if we don't, he will disrupt the state, we are ready for that person. Yes. 3 nights ago, we arrested some people who wanted to come and burn New Era again. We have sent them to police custody. I asked the federal government, the Federal Fire Service is here. We are investigating every case of fire because we know we have enough intelligence that it is part of their plan to create disharmony, to say so that people can feel that this government is bad. What they have not been able to get from the courts, they have not been able to get from public opinion, they've gone underground to start causing all sorts of mayhem, arson. Now they say they want to run illegal rallies in Edo State as part of this to escalate the crisis. We are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. Whether he calls himself national chairman of a party or not, let me see. If he is truly who he is, let him come to this state again to say he wants to come and run a rally and disrupt peace. We will show him that God has given us peace, and God will deal with him on our behalf the way he ought to be dealt with. I want to assure all of you that since God has put us here, he's the one showing us what to do. And therefore we have no fear. No man is God. And we will not accept any man playing God. As you pray, I know God will listen. I know God will hear your prayers. That we will have peace in the land. Yeah. Sometimes he directs us to be bold. He directs us to be courageous. Because if you do not confront destructive people sometimes, you may not have sustainable peace. What we need in Edo is sustainable peace. Peace that will last us for a long time. So whatever it will take to get that sustainable peace, today, I am assuring Edo people, we are ready to make that sacrifice. Amen. By the grace of God.
So they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.